We're getting a puppy!
Look at that face. Are you kidding? Say hi. I'm Dash. You're gonna see a lot of me on this channel. Happy puppy. In the crate, because we're crate training in.
He's complaining.
Who's saying it?
We're not saying
You have to say it.
it. No, we gotta make it a surprise.
No, we're saying it.
No, we're making it a surprise.
One.
No, we're making it a surprise.
No, we're saying it.
No, we'll make it a surprise. It'll be fun.
Babe, the thumbnail is gonna
That's
say what
fine
it
though,
is.
but they don't need to know now. We're on our way to do something fun.
Alright, we're on our way to go and pick up something really, really exciting.
Yeah.
You're gonna see by the thumbnail title and the title of the video.
Oh, you're ruining it, I guess.
We're
getting a puppy!
We're so excited.
Yeah, his name is Dash.
We're going to Ohio right now. We're picking him up from a breeder there. He's a baby Cavapoo. I think he's 8 or 9 weeks old today.
He was born on July 4th.
Yeah, he was actually born on July 4th, and we chose the name Dash. So we're getting a brand new baby Cavapoo. We're so excited. Clearly, when we dog sit, that had some sort of effect on us. So it was a little bit, well, I had to convince Matthew, but.
Yeah, it was a tough sell, but not until I saw his face. Wait till you guys see this thing.
He's so cute.
He is like the cutest thing in the world.
So anyways, we are leaving Buffalo right now. We're going to Ohio. It's about a 4-hour drive, but I wanted to start off this vlog. We're so excited, and that's a secret I've been keeping. So yeah, let's go. And of course, we stopped to get gas, and none of the pumps work. Our goal was to leave by 8 o'clock, and it's 9:15. So, oh, let's hope this is more of a smooth ride than this gas fiasco. So I think I have all of his stuff. I have his little bed back there with a few of his toys and a blanket that we bought him. And then I have his dog bowl, his leash, his harness. I think I got everything for the time being. Like I said, it's about a 4-hour drive. So I think they fed him prior and then we'll feed him when we get home. I'm hoping to be home by dinner time, but we are so excited. We've known for about 3 weeks. I want to say we put the deposit down, and today he became available, which is September 5th, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait for you guys to see him. He is so cute. We've been watching videos of him like every single day, looking at pictures that the breeder's been sending us, and we have just been so excited. I woke up this morning so excited I barely slept because I was just so happy about it. So let's get going. Oh my gosh. Hi. What's up? Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh my gosh.
What's up? Ladies and gentlemen, meet our new addition.
Say hi, Dash.
Mr. Dash.
How cute.
What's up, Bob?
Who's that? Who's that?
Are you shy?
This is Dash. He's so sweet. He's so cuddly. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with him.
He's literally like a little fluff ball.
Dashy.
Dash. Hey, Bobo.
Look at him.
Hi, Bobo. See your floppy ears. Hey. You got those little nervous eyes, I know.
He is so cute.
You'll get to know me.
Oh my god. He's so sweet. My heart hurts. I love you.
All right. Now for the long journey home.
You wanna go home? Alright. You wanna go home? You okay? What's wrong?
You okay? Oh, you're a happy pups.
You a happy puppy?
Are you happy pups? Are you a happy pups? Are you worried? Hi! Who's your boy?
Are you excited to come home? I feel like he's so confused.
He is. He's probably like, wait, wait. You are so freaking cute. You know that?
Look at you.
Hey, boys. Come here.
On the tower, you good?
You okay, boy?
I know he's kind of lazy funny.
I think he's just nervous, so he's just kind of like...
He's just flapping.
Mm-hmm.
So what's wrong, baby?
I mean, it's a big environmental change.
Look at his little eyes.
Dashy. Hi, folks. Hi. How's your rose? How's your rose?
Hi, baby.
You little fluff ball. You little fluff mania.
He is. Dash.
Dash, who's that?
Hi.
Oh, who's that?
Oh my gosh. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. I love you. You licking me?
Are you licking her? What are you doing? Hi.
Oh. Hi. Hi, buddy. Come here, babe.
Dash.
Who's that?
Dashy boy. Oh,
Oh.
he's a little
He
nervous.
smells really good.
He does. They must have washed him.
Did you just get a little bath? Did you just get a little bath?
All right.
You want to go home?
Trust me, Dash. You're gonna get used to this camera, brother.
Yeah. Wait, Dash. Oh, now the camera's on. He doesn't want to lick me.
He knows. He's camera shy.
Hi.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah! You're not on my finger.
Are you biting his finger?
No, bite my finger. No, bite my finger. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
You biting his finger?
No, 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 no. Are you ready to watch football? Yeah, you are. Where's my balls? Dude, you're literally like a fluff ball. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, you're so tiny.
He's like, you can't even see him in our arms.
Yeah, he's like literally just like a...
Where are you going? Wait.
I love his eyes.
I know.
They're like these like little sad,
Like
cute
these,
ass eyes. Look at him, he's like...
So we've been driving in the car for about an hour and a half.
Oh, I'm so
and
tired.
Needless to say, we are in love. He is just the sweetest little baby ever. Dash. Hi. Hi, buddy. Are we going home? He's just like in that little spot with Matthew while he's driving. Hi. You want to go home, baby?
In my hole.
He's so comfy right there. Oh my gosh. Alright, after a long 4 hours, we're almost home.
Oh, thank God.
Matthew's been a trooper. He drove the whole time.
Oh.
Dash is just loving it. He's so chill. We love him. What's going on?
Oh, now
Hi.
you're excited.
He's home and he's loving it. He's trying to figure out what's
Trying to how to
going
get out?
on.
You can do it.
This thing is so much bigger.
can do
Come on, you can do it. Come on, Dash. Come on,
Go get it.
come on, come
Go get
on.
Oh,
Good boy. Dashy. Hi. What you doing? You wanna go eat dinner? There you go. Good boy. Are you hungry? Come here. We got your food.
Go here. Go here.
Go here. Come on. Good boy. No.
Go here. Go here.
Come on, Dash.
Go here, Dash.
Dash. Come on.
Go here, Dash. Go here.
Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right, let's go back.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Dash. Come on, Dash. Come on, Dash.
Go, boys.
Oh, come here. Good boy.
You pooped?
Are you tired?
You pooped.
He's so tired.
You a pooped poochie.
Should we lay?
Daddy boy. Hi, bud.
Dash. Dash meeting my mom, his grandma.
Should I pull up so your parents can go?
Dash. Say hi to Grandma Debbie.
Hi.
You sure?
It's Grandma.
my dad for having run.
Grandma Deb.
Oh.
Who's that?
You were so good tonight. Do you know?
He was.
You were so good complain at all. You let everybody hug you, hold you, love you.
You were such a good puppy.
Did you over here? Dashi.
Look, Dash. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the kisses. You wanna go sleep?
I'm tired.
Let's go night night. Say good night. See you in the morning. Oh, thank you. Oh, nice. Oh, look at my nose. Thank you for the nice kisses. Good morning. Hi. You're so cute. Are you tired? Are you sheepy? Oh, he's a good boy. He's so sweet. Oh, you're such a sweet boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Dash is getting playful because Matthew's letting him bite his fingers. He's so cute. What are you doing?
Ow. Ah.
Say, well, that's what you get when you put your fingers in my
Oh,
mouth.
that one got caught under the sharp one.
Right, Dash? Say, that's what you get
That
when you put your fingers in my mouth.
It hurts. It's not fair.
That's what you get for putting your fingers in my
I'm
mouth.
gonna bite your fingers.
Here, why don't you give him his toys? We bought him these little toys.
Hi.
His mom brought over these toys, like Matthew's mom brought them over. And then we have this little thing. Dashy! He's unfazed by that. You good? You want your toys? You can bite this toy. You want to bite your toy? Oh, you'd rather bite my shirt, wouldn't you? You'd rather bite my shirt.
You bit my finger. I'm gonna bite your tail.
Daisy, go ahead. Oh.
Oh, you tried to bite me, didn't you? No.
See if he'll bite these. Dashy, you want your keys? I feel like these are too big for him. What do you think?
Good morning,
Good
Mr.
morning.
Man. Good morning, Mr. Man.
Are you playing?
Dude, you are gonna. Ow.
What?
Man, when he gets your finger, it
Yeah, he
hurts.
bites those fingers.
You have little sharp
Ow!
teeth.
You biting my finger.
With a little floppy arm.
Dash.
Look at that arm.
No biting fingers. You bite your toy.
What if I bite your toy?
You bite your toy.
What if I bite your fingers, huh? You've been playful all morning.
So, Dash was so good last night. We had him sleep in the crate because we're crate training him. And he slept the whole night.
Such a good boy.
He was such a good boy. He didn't whine. He didn't cry. He was so quiet. Slept the whole night, didn't you? And then
Now
he
you
woke up
playful.
around like 6:30. I took him out to the bathroom. And now he's just playing. It's like 7:50 right now. But he was such a good boy. You're so good. You're such a good boy. You were such a good boy. You slept the whole night.
He did.
In your bed, your crate.
He snored a little bit, too.
Good. Yeah, he did. We're trying not to get in the habit of letting him sleep with us just because we feel like it's best for him to crate train, and then once he's up, like in the morning, we'll let him come in the bed. But as of right now, we're letting him stay in the crate for a little bit, and he's just the sweetest.
What are you doing? With that side eye.
I know, he has these like puppy dog eyes. What are those puppy dog eyes? Look at that face. Are you kidding? Say hi.
Yeah.
I'm Dash. You're gonna see a lot of me on this channel. And then he has some white undercoat, and he's got white little paws in the back. You can't really see, but his color is apricot. He's a Cavapoo, by the way. A lot of people were asking me, thinking he was a golden doodle, which he kind of does look like a golden doodle, but he's a Cavapoo. So that's who he is. He was born on July 4th, and he's 2 months and 2 days old today. He's still a little baby, teething, biting my fingers. Here you go. Here you go. You bite your toy. Love you. Are you gonna be a mama's boy?
No.
He's gonna be a mama's boy. Mwah. Love you. Oh, Dashy was such a good boy sleeping. Now he's gonna have a fun Sunday. We're gonna go to a workout class. You're gonna hang out in your little backpack type thing.
Yeah, does that sound fun, bud?
And we're gonna
backpack.
go. No, we have this cute little backpack where he lays in. And then we're gonna go to lunch. We're gonna find a patio that he can hang out in. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go to a dog-friendly patio for lunch. Stephanie, Nate, and your dad. And then we're gonna go to the park and just run around. He woke up at like 6 a.m., took him out to the bathroom, and then he was so playful from like 6 to 7. Then he slept a little, and now he's giving us the side eye. He wants to get up. Don't you want to get up? Don't you want to get up? What do you think? You think he gets camera shy?
I don't know, but look at his face.
I think he gets a little camera shy, you guys.
He's like, what is that thing?
When we first picked him up, I pulled out the camera, and he was like a little afraid. He's okay. He's a good camera. Camera likes you.
What do you think, bud?
Oh, yes. Oh, nice kisses. Oh, thank you. Oh, no. Lovely. Oh, I love you too. Yes, yes, yes. Say, I'm hungry. Okay, we can get up. Good boy.
Good boy. Big choppers out of
He's a
that
good
face.
boy. He's such a good boy.
You like eating, don't you?
These bowls are a little big for him.
You can get in there.
He can. They're a little big, but he's got it.
Now he's finally
He's
eating.
chowing.
I think he's comfortable.
It's taken him a little bit to start eating with us,
Oh, now
but he
he's
feels
just mowing
good.
food down.
Good boy, Dashy. Good boy. He's so cute. Wherever we go, he follows. Watch. Are you coming with us? Where are you going? Look at all your little toys. Hi. Hi. He loves his little toys.
Daddy boy.
Who's that?
He loves that camera.
You love being on camera. Yes, you do. You know you're so cute.
Daddy boy. Daddy boy.
Oh. So we're on our way to F45 right now. We're going to do a workout. We have little Dash here with us. Say hi. And then Matthew's driving. We're gonna take him. We have this little backpack thing that has a carrier, I guess, in it. What would you call it?
Yeah, I would say like it's a little carrier.
It's like a backpack carrier. It's really cute. It has some mesh on the side and the front so he can obviously poke his head out. It's breathable. So we're gonna bring him to F45 right now with us, and then we're going to breakfast after with a few of our friends. Nate loves Dash.
So cute.
I know, right? How's it going, Dash? Dash, look. The backpack's full. Oh, I put it in the back.
Oh, you got that right there. Panic.
Oh, thank you. Oh my god. So cute. Your girls need a puppy. I know, he's gonna trip over the dumbbells. He's giving you kisses. What are you doing, Dash? You guys, it's like literally 11 o'clock at night. He has so much energy. He's got this thing in his mouth.
Just saw your mom.
Dash, what are you doing?
You don't know where anybody is? Because you can't see.
The toy that he has in his mouth is almost as big as him. It's like running him.
Dash, go.
What are you doing? What's that toy you got in your mouth? What are you doing, Dash?
Go.
Come here.
Go, Shiba.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You have so much energy.
You have so much energy, Dash.
Where's all this energy coming from? Where's all this energy coming from? What?
Dash, come on. Yeah, good boy. You did good. Oh, then he's gonna go back to the room. Dash,
He wants to go to bed.
go, buddy.
Dash, come here, Bob.
Come here. Come here. Where are you going?
Go, Bob. Go.
Come on. I see you over there. Yeah. Oh, he tripped in his water. He goes in the bedroom and then he realizes no one's in there.
Yeah.
And then he runs up.
And he's like, and then he goes over here. He does. He does the same little rotation.
He does the same routine. Come on, Dash.
He goes over there. You love that thing. Go ahead.
He's got energy, don't he?
Go. Meow.
Yeah.
Say good morning.
If you think about it, like,
Hi,
you
Dashi. Good
change
morning.
your draft strategy for like, I gotta get 2 kickers, 2 Ds.
Dashi.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So like, you're gonna leave guys out there that are like pressing limits. Like, you could be a decent and you could.
Hi, baby. Wanna go for a walkie? Wanna go for a walk, Dash? Come on. Let's go, buddy. Come on.
Well,
Now we're back inside and he's just chilling on this little bed. My cousins gave us this bed to use. It's so perfect. The edges come up, as you guys can see. He loves it. He sleeps in it too. Now we're back inside just relaxing. Daddy went to the store. He got some groceries for us. And you're just, no, don't bite mommy. Don't bite me. I have to train him not to bite me because he's teething at the moment and he's literally biting anything in sight. So we have these little toys for him, but my fingers are always a little bit more appealing. As you can see, he bit me there. It's okay, you're just a puppy. You don't know. You're just a cute puppy. Oh my gosh.
We got Dash at playtime.
Right as I played.
Who's that?
Okay, so in this whole video, you guys saw Dash, he was so calm. Now, 4 days later,
Here he is. Freaking out.
Yeah, we have to learn how to train him because he bites us. Like, he's teething, obviously, but he bites our fingers a ton.
Towel with your hands.
Yeah, but anyways, it's like 4 days later. We've just been really enjoying hanging out with him, but I'm gonna end off this vlog. I wanted to do a little outro. Say bye, Dash.
Ow.
I hope you liked my little video. I'm being crazy boy. I'm being crazy boy. I hope you guys liked this vlog.
Okay.
If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, really supports my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos of Dash. He'll be on my channel a ton, wherever he is. And say bye. Ow. Say bye, see you next time.
Yep.